Yeah, now it's recording rather.
Yeah, next time we get a actual box, we need to open it on.
Okay, you got a packs? You got packs?
You got packs.
You got packs. You got packs.
It can hear us as well.
Should I record this as? Oh, it can.
Yeah. Yeah, no, my phone can just record the screen and what we say.
Okay. How many packs? Okay, we can get 10 packs. Fucking oath! Here we go.
Kai open a pack and we do smash and pass while he opens it.
Here we go. Good.
Smash.
Is it good though?
Just keep.
Okay. Oh yeah, I'll do smash. Pass.
Smash.
I don't know about that one. I'm not sure about that one.
Pass.
That hand though.
It's just a hand. What?
Oh.
Something shiny. Smash.
Smash a spell.
Smash the game!
Is that good?
Yes.
Fucking
perfect.
See, I told you.
That is the best smash of the century.
But is it good for you?
It's funny. Also, after this, we're gonna go and
smash. No, not again.
After this, we're going inside.
Yeah.
I'm so glad we got collapsed.
Smash.
That's the funniest thing so far.
Pass.
Oh, pass.
The second one, you already said you pass on it. And I say smash.
I don't get any of this, guys.
Pass.
Yeah, already pass though.
Pass.
No, for fuck's sake, not again!
Smash.
Smash creeper.
A little handful.
God.
Pass.
Smash.
Smash.
Why are we doing this?
Oh,
it's the eyes again.
Pass.
Smash.
Pass.
Smash,
brother! I smashed the drag. Trishler is a good smash.
I'm not playing
Ice
this.
Barrier, not gonna lie.
Pass.
Smash.
Oh, that's a good smash. Did you see those arms?
Is that it? Did I get you any good cards? That's the real question.
Yeah, this is pretty good, and this is Clute the game.
Right. I don't know what that means, but okay.
We should play Black Wings.
We can do 5 more packs.
Oh!
And I say, why not?
Fuck.
Oh?
Ooh, shiny. Pass. Smash.
Ooh.
Smash.
Yeah, hold on. We're just doing these last packs and then we're going.
Yeah, he's...
Pass.
Smash.
Okay, fine. I'll do it as well. Smash. How old are they, though?
I don't know.
How old do you think?
I'm not sure.
However old they look, I guess.
Looks
It
about
might be
Pass.
Pass.
Oh, it's going to be the eyes again.
No.
No? Oh, I thought it was.
Pass. Ooh, that hole, though.
Yeah, that's a glory hole, though.
That's a glory hole, if I've ever seen one.
Pass. Smash.
Alright.
You keep on going back and forth between these fucking characters. Like, pass. Oh.